Now imagine a world without the moon. One moment, you look up at the night sky and see its familiar glowing face. The next, it's gone, vanished like it never existed. At first glance, it might seem like a minor change. After all, the moon is small compared to the vastness of space, right? But the moon's presence affects nearly every aspect of life on Earth, from the tides in the oceans to the stability of our planet's rotation. Without it, the consequences would ripple across science, nature, and civilization itself. First, consider the tides. The moon's gravitational pull creates the rhythmic rise and fall of the ocean, influencing everything from coastal ecosystems to the behavior of marine life. Without the moon, tides would shrink dramatically, leaving only minor fluctuations caused by the sun's gravity. Coastal ecosystems, from mangroves to coral reefs, would struggle, disrupting the food chains that depend on tidal patterns. Fisheries might collapse, and species that rely on tidal movements for breeding or feeding could face extinction. Humanity itself would have to adapt. Ports, shipping routes, and even climate patterns could be altered by the loss of tidal currents, reshaping economies and communities in coastal regions. But the moon's influence goes beyond water. Its gravitational presence stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, the tilt that gives us the seasons. Without it, our planet could wobble unpredictably over millennia, sending seasons into chaos. Imagine summers turning into perpetual heat waves, winters becoming dangerously long, and entire regions suffering sudden climate shifts. Agriculture would become a gamble, with crops thriving one decade and failing the next. Ecosystems would struggle to adapt, and humans would face the challenge of surviving on a planet with unpredictable weather. Civilization as we know it could crumble under the stress of a constantly shifting climate. The moon also plays a role in the night sky. Without its gentle glow, nights would be darker, altering the behavior of nocturnal animals and the rhythms of human life. Before electric light, the moon was crucial for navigation, travel, and even cultural rituals. Its absence would change the way humans perceive time and space. Ancient myths and legends tied to lunar cycles might never have existed, potentially reshaping human culture entirely. Even modern astronomy would be affected. The moon provides a stable reference point for studies of space and the Earth's rotation. Without it, some of our scientific progress could have taken different paths or been delayed entirely. There's also the dramatic visual impact. Imagine sunsets and sunrises without the moon's reflection, nights devoid of its serene presence. Humanity's relationship with the sky, with time, and with imagination would be subtly altered. Our literature, art, and music might lack the inspiration that the moon has provided for millennia. On a cosmic scale, the Earth's gravitational relationship with the moon also protects us from some asteroid impacts, acting as a shield by pulling some space debris toward itself. Without the moon, Earth could face a higher risk from asteroids, adding another layer of danger to life. Perhaps most unsettling, the moon's absence could accelerate Earth's rotation slowdown, leading to shorter days over millions of years. Longer days could cause extreme temperature differences between day and night, adding strain on both ecosystems and human civilization. Over time, these changes could force humanity to rethink everything from architecture to sleep cycles, from energy consumption to urban planning. A world without the moon isn't just a world without a nightlight. It's a planet facing profound geological, biological, and cultural upheavals. Yet despite all this chaos, humans would adapt, as we always have. We would innovate, creating technology to counter the environmental shifts, develop new methods for agriculture, and adjust to darker nights. But the moon's absence would leave a permanent mark on life on Earth. It's a reminder that even celestial bodies we take for granted have deep and far-reaching impacts, influencing not only the physical world, but also our imaginations, our culture, and our very sense of time. The moon may seem distant and untouchable, but its presence is intimately tied to life itself. Lose it, and the world as we know it would never be the same.